Hey guys, it's me, Missy. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for joining me. Let's learn some English together. I know from experience, learning another language, that sometimes it's the little words that trip you up. In this lesson, I would like to look at the prepositions in, on, and at in English. Many Spanish speakers get these words confused. These small words can make a big difference in meaning, especially when you're talking about time, places, or locations. Let's break them down and make them super simple for you. Prepositions of time. We use in for longer or more general periods of time. Let's take a look at some examples. In the morning. In January. In 2025. In the 21st century. Example. I was born in July. We use on for specific days and dates. Examples. On Monday. On my birthday. On April 1st. On the weekends. Example. We met on Friday. We use at for exact or precise times or moments. Examples. At 5 o'clock. At midnight. At lunchtime. At the moment. Example. I'll call you at 3 p.m. Now let's look at these words as prepositions of place and location. We use in when something is inside a space. Examples. In the room. In a box. In the car. In New York. This is used for cities and countries. Let's look at an example. The books are in my backpack. We use on when something is on a surface or flat area. Examples. On the table. On the wall. On the floor. On the bus or train or plane. Example. The keys are on the kitchen counter. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. We use at for a specific point or location. Examples. At the bus stop. At the door. At home. At school. Example. She is at the door. Now let's look at a few sentences. See if you can choose the correct word to fill in the blank. I was born 2001. I was born 2001. The correct answer is in. I was born in 2001. The painting is the wall. The painting is the wall. The correct answer is on. The painting is on the wall. Let's meet 7 o'clock. Let's meet 7 o'clock. The correct answer is at. Let's meet at 7 o'clock. He lives Paris. He lives Paris. The correct answer is in. He lives in Paris. She is waiting the station. She is waiting the station. The correct answer is at. She is waiting at the station. Let's finish with a short story that uses all three prepositions, in, on, and at, so you can hear them in action. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. The sun is already shining in the sky. I get out of bed and find my phone on the bedside table. I eat breakfast in the kitchen and read the news on my phone. At 8:30, I leave for work. My office is in the city center, and I usually take the train. When I arrive at the station, I see my friend waiting at the entrance. We sit on the train and talk about our plans for the weekend. On Saturday, we're going to a concert in the park. The show starts at 6 p.m. and we'll sit on the grass. It's going to be a great day. Now you know how to use in, on, and at for time and place. Practice using them in your own sentences. This should help you improve your English grammar and speaking skills. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. See you guys later. Ciao, my favorite blavanitos.